Here's the Mossman guitar that I've been working on resetting the neck all week. It's not quite there to show you, but I am going to show you this Epiphone Masterbuilt that needs to be set up. Stick around. This guitar is in for a setup. The customer says something went off the rails. I think it has something to do with this high action. Let's see what we can do. Epiphone Masterbuilt. Nice guitar. Let's see what the action is. About 8/64 and 8/64. Let's check the neck. It's got about 13 thousandths relief. So we can bring that down a little bit. That'll help the action. Let's take a look at the nut. .22 on the bass, about 16 on the treble. All right, let's get these strings off of here. I think that's the under saddle pickup right there. Boy, this isn't really a very deep slot. Could be deeper. With the piezo in there, maybe 1/8 of an inch. The saddle is more than 5/16, almost 3/8. So it sticks out about 1/4 of an inch. That can definitely come down. The neck angle is good, so that's not the issue. Let's take a look at the truss rod. Right now the board is perfectly flat. There's no gap. So I'm going to tighten it. Just create a little bit of a back bow. So under string tension this will pull it up and it'll be straightened out again. We'll leave it there. Put some strings on here, and then we'll see what the action is, and then we'll see if we need to adjust the saddle. I know it's messy, but a little steel wool goes a long way, especially when it comes to these frets and gunky fingerboard. Before I do any adjustments on the saddle, let me see if the neck is good. Yeah, it's down there. The neck's good. We just got to get the saddle good. So where are we with the height on this? Let's determine how much needs to come off the saddle. Don't forget to take the capo off when you do that. Standing tall at 8/64. I like to come down to about 5. So we need to take 3/64 off this. 3/32 needs to come off this saddle height. Hell, we got 1/4 of an inch. Could take 3/32 off. Let me go ahead and do that. Loosen the strings and get the saddle down, see where we stand. So this is how much I got to take off. I'll take it over to the belt sander and then sand it flush, break all the corners, and reinstall it. Now Sure feels a whole lot better, looks a lot better. Let's see what we got. Lo and behold, we've got 4/64ths and 5/64ths. That's actually perfect. Alright, that's it for this Epiphone.